Who does he think he is? I just told you who I thought I was.
Ollie Oxen.
I just told you. That's who I think I am.
Look, I hate long intros, so let's just get straight to it. I'm doing a giveaway. What am I giving away? Yup, boy. I'm giving away an RTX 3060 Ti Founders Edition from NVIDIA. It really didn't fit what I needed. I was trying to do a build for it. Things got complicated. That video never came out. But I don't really have a need for it. I figure I just give it to the community, man. It's been a great year for the channel. You guys have really shown support for my love for building computers, and I want to give something back because it's basically impossible to get this card right now. Couple contingencies. First, you gotta be a US resident. I'm unable to ship internationally at this time. Hopefully, as we continue to grow and get more access to more parts, I'll be able to include you all in it. But for right now, it's not gonna work. If you do live in the US, these are the things that you can do to win. The first thing I need you to do is to like and subscribe to the channel. Second thing I need you to do is to comment down below, #AO. The third thing I need you to do is to turn on your notification bell. The last thing I need you to do, click the link in the description. It'll give you the final details on how to win. I'll be making a post on Twitter, so make sure you follow me, retweet it, give it a like it, tweet it, smash it, retweet it, post it, sing it, do it.
Pop it, twist it, tap it.
Do all the things. On Christmas Eve, I'm gonna be selecting a winner. I will be announcing the winners in the community tab on the channel. If you're not subscribed, you'll miss the announcement, and it'll just get weird because it's like I'll be like, yo, you won, and you're not there.
She doesn't even go here.
You know, 2020 has been, by all accounts, pretty trash, at least in the PC community. These cards were really exciting, and if you're watching this video and you enter the contest, I wish you all the best of luck. And to the person that wins, I hope that this card really helps your build out, and I hope you're able to utilize it as best you can. And if you find yourself winning the card and you don't need the card, I would hope that you would pay it forward to somebody who is in need of the card. But
Message.
once I give it away, it's out of my hands, you know? People, yeah, I think that's it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, comment AO down below. Follow me on Twitter, retweet the post, like the post, and most importantly, click the link in the description. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.